Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world. The US President Joe Biden is preparing to sit down with his Afghan counterpart on Friday. To discuss the US troop withdrawal in Afghanistan as America winds down its longest war. But as foreign troops head out, the Taliban are making territorial gains and taking control of dozens of districts. In a recently overrun army base in northern Afghanistan, Taliban show off captured heavy weapons and ammunition. One cannot verify the authenticity of the videos or the date they were filmed, and Afghan security officials could not confirm or deny Taliban claims in these videos, but they do admit of losing dozens of towns in the past fortnight. The Taliban claim 90 such victories in the past month. The UN says it's less than 50 of 370 gone, but still very concerning. At times, the Taliban claiming wins without firing a shot. In Thakkar province, a whole column of armored American-made Army Afghan Humvees are surrendered by government soldiers to the Taliban. The soldiers dumped their guns in a pile, a valuable boost for the Taliban who are fighting hundreds of miles from their heartland in the south and east. Afghan government officials say they are sending reinforcements to take back control and claim without proof to have killed hundreds of Taliban. The Taliban surge also a concern for US forces who agreed their own ceasefire with the Taliban as they exit their longest war, but hope they might leave the country at peace. On Friday, Afghan President Ashraf Ghani meets President Biden with final US forces more than half gone. Hard to see an easy reverse to the Taliban scheme. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.